Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am doing some double stamping today, super easy, and I'm going to be using a marble image, actually two marble images, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. I'm using the marbled O2 plate from Dixie plates, my brand of stamping plate. Sorry about the glare. And I'm using the bottom two left images, which are created to fit perfectly over each other. So two different colours of stamping polish, and I'm going to be using them. I'm going to be using my practice hand from GLAM. This is Elsa. So I've popped on some almond shaped tips today. When I say popped on, I've actually slid them in. So they actually just slide in inside the nail. So that is the hand I'm going to be using. As a base, I'm going to be using Premier Gel in number 369. So it's this lovely sort of fawny nude colour. Everything else I'm going to link in the description bar below. And let's get on with it. Okay guys, all finished. I will have a better picture at the end as I normally do. So I finished off with the Premier's No White Top Coat, so I'll link the proper name and a link to the product in the description bar below. So super easy. Now I did use liquid latex on some of the fingers, and I used just the lint roller on others, just to show you how to clean the silicone hand if you are using one. And it was really easy with both methods, so you don't have any mess. This hand's been absolutely fabulous, so I'll link the GLAM hand and website below as well. So super subtle but really effective, and I think they look stunning on the almond shaped nails. And as you saw in the video, I did rotate the stamp so that I wasn't left with this sort of larger patch in exactly the same place on each nail. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. I will link everything that I used in the description bar below. Thumbs up if you like the video. Any comments and questions, pop them in the comments box and I'll get back to you. And please subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in the next one, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.